Hello everyone. Today's video will introduce how to use the PROFINET master function of our DU03L. In this video, I am using a DU03L PLC. Through an Ethernet cable, I have connected a DN8032L PROFINET slave device. And on the slave device, a digital input module is mounted and a digital output module. Back to our programming interface. Our ODOT DU03 series uses browser-based programming across the entire series, without requiring additional software installation. You only need to use a browser to access this website, and you can program and develop the PLC. The B/S architecture can also be deployed in a local network. After entering this website, if you don't have an account, you can register with your email. Since I already have an account, I only need to log in. Click Login. After entering this interface, you can see that our DU03L PLC supports IEC 61131-3 standard and IEC 61499 standard. Here I use IEC 61499 standard to demonstrate how to use the PROFINET master function. We click IEC 61499. After entering this interface, we first need to create a project. I name it PROFINET. Click Save. After the project is created, we left-click this project to enter the development interface. Before starting development, we first need to import the device description file. The device description file can be obtained from our official website or by contacting ODOT technical support. Click Import. Select the prepared DN8032 device description file. Next, we configure the hardware. Right-click System Configuration and select to add a device. Select our PLC. Here it is DU03L PLC. Click the configured PLC. Set the communication path. The PLC IP address can be viewed on the display. Here it is 192.168.0.60. The port number is 61500. Click Save. Test the login. You can see the login is successful, which proves that the web browser has successfully communicated with the PLC. Next, we need to add a communication protocol to the PLC. Here I select PROFINET. At the same time, this PLC also supports the EtherCAT communication protocol. Here you can see our PLC supports both PROFINET or EtherCAT master. Here we just select PROFINET. Next, we configure the remote I/O. Right-click PROFINET and select Scan Devices. Right-click PROFINET to scan devices. It has successfully detected our remote DN8032L device. Select the device and click Add. You can see it has been added successfully. Next, we configure its I/O. Here I have mounted a DT121F and a DT222F module. In future versions, our PROFINET will also support slave I/O scanning. Please look forward to future versions. Add a backplane module. DT5800 is a terminal module. Restart the master. You can see the master status is green, indicating the master has started successfully. Next, we can perform force control on the process data. For example, I want to enable the outputs. You can see the corresponding output channels are on. All output channel indicators are on. Of course, I can also monitor the inputs. I use a jumper wire to test the channels. You can see the corresponding values are changing. That's the end of today's demo. Thank you for watching.